ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ until where we had done last time, the Anupallavi. And she comes looking for him. Come. So Nadu
Sugurne Venu Gopala Soge Sugada Nadu Sugurne Venu Gopala Soge Sugada Nadu Sugurne Venu Gopala Soge Sugada Nadu Sugurne Venu Gopala Balya Mudanu Yeru Bittu Gattina Vadu Balya Mudanu Yeru Bittu Gattina Vadu Balya Mudanu Yeru Bittu Gattina Vadu Balya Mudanu Yeru Bittu Gattina
Vadu what?
Balya Mudanu Yeru Bittu
This one.
Gattina Vadu
Mugudachi. Mugudachi.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ
Mugudachi.
Pilachedu Koibatuna
See, there's a difference between this. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. I should go, I have to go, or should I go up? So when the way you hold your lips and the way you hold your cheekbones and your eyes will determine where what the character is trying to say. So I just want to show you what this character who I think she is. Okay, I'll just last line and then Mugudachi Pilachedu.
Balya Mudanu Yeru Bittu Gattina Vadu Mugudachi
What she? He's come.
Pilachedu Koibatuna
I'll come back soon.
Preeti Marava Pura Swami Mugudachi Pilachedu Koivatuna Preeti Marava Pura Swami Mugudachi Pilachedu Koivatuna Preeti Marava Pura Swami చేరు కోయవతున ప్రీతి మరవకు స్వామి.
I did about 4-5 varieties of it. Basically, she doesn't want to go. So first time is Mugudochi Pilachedu, Poyi Vattana. But whenever she says Vattana, she's very happy. Oh, I'll come back soon, I'll come back soon. You know, I'll come back to you. So that excitement of that young girl, I have to go, but I'll come back soon. Yeah. You have to maintain that. If you don't maintain that, then she becomes a, like a Pragalba or a Prouda. Oh, what do I do? My Hanebara, my thing. That kind of, my destiny, I have to do it. No, it's not. She's not. She's saying, my parents are saying I have to go. My family is saying I have to go. This man has come to say I'm your husband. I believe I married him, but I'll come back soon. I'll come back soon. You don't forget me, okay? You promise me you don't forget me. You always remember me. So these are the little things that you change every time you construct a sentence, and that clarity has to come in what you say, so that people who are watching you should understand that clarity. This is a sentence that she is making, because you are basically making a sentence. Each time you do one Sanchari Baba, you are making a sentence, and that sentence clarity has to be kept. If that sentence gets mixed up with this sentence, next sentence or the previous sentence, then it's gone.
It's all muddled.
It's all muddled. You can't make out what is she trying to say. Is she saying I'll go, I'll come back fast, or what's the high point? Like even yesterday I spoke about that. That every time you do a Sanchari Baba in a Padam, it's like a musical Sanchari Baba, where in music they hit the notes, and then there's one note which nobody else can hit, and we are saying, aha, that kind of a thing. The same thing. You hit that emotion, and when you hit that emotion, then they'll say, that is the emotion that which should have define the character of that thing.
So I should
Try to get this clarity in the sentences that you're making, and in that time span to get it out. With the appropriate hands. So on the one hand is this husband who's calling her, and then maybe her mother is calling her. She comes and holds her hand. Her mother saying, "Okay, I'm coming. Okay, wait, okay, wait, I'm coming." Krishna's hand, hold Krishna's hand. Mother was saying, "Come, no, he's come to take you. You have to go. What are you doing here?" "Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. I want to hold Krishna's hand." That thing. She's not ashamed of her relationship with Krishna or anything. She's not hid it. But she's saying, these are the circumstances. Now they're telling me I was married, and those people have come. My mother is saying I have to go. My father is saying I have to go. Someone's calling me. Someone's calling her. "Wait, I'll come." So in one of the houses, she says, wait, I'm coming. See, they're calling me. Come. Give me a kiss before I go. I mean, these things which you normally would do with a lover, when you have to go, should come in that. The urgency of it also. The urgency of getting that little, intimate peck on your cheek, or that thing, which you would do. That kind of it. Because she's had an intimate relationship with. We'll do it, we'll try.
Yeah, from Balyamandalu.
Yeah. Once you do Balyamundalu, and then from there you connect it to Mugudochi Pilachedu. Mugudochi first hand is this Mugudochi Pilachedu. You know how to look back. Pilachedu. Mugudochi Pilachedu. Mugudochi Pilachedu. No, you haven't defined your subject. That's my problem with you. You don't. There's an object, there's a subject, and there's a third person. So that clarity of space. So you're addressing Krishna, right? So why should you address Krishna sideways? You're addressing him straight. Yeah, this and that. Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. This yata hasta tata drishti is not applicable
In this.
in these kinds of items.
Huh.
Because no, you may have to do it later.
Yeah.
But first time, why should you do this? It's like, okay, he's come. No, he's not important to you. Mugurochi, Pilachedu. You're telling him a sentence. First statement. Establish that sentence that I'm. Yeah.
మొగడచి పిలచేదు
I'll go.
పోయి
I'll come back soon.
బతున ప్రీతి
Yours and my.
మరవకు
You should not forget.
స్వామి
No, you don't have to. See, that's the whole thing. That's the second thing I want to tell you, which I noticed. When there's a gap, you try to do other hastas, right?
No need.
No need. Just keep the emotion on the face, contain, and try to emote only to the face. Forget that you have hand and all that. Hand can remain. But the moment you do this, the next time you will not be able. Yeah, you will not be able to, because the mood was good, correct? And when you first time you say Vachina, don't do it here, Vachi. That one. Then poi, I'll come back soon. Body, you know, and it go, yeah. I'll come back. Because body is inclined towards Krishna, not
Not there.
there.
మొగడచి పిలచేదు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి
Preeti.
మరవకూర స్వామి మొగడచి పిలచేదు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి మరవకు స్వామి
That is.
మొగడచి పిలచేదు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి మరవకూర స్వామి
Okay. Okay. I just want you to construct your sentences. So the 1, 2, 3, 4. Construct 4 sentences, and do exactly that sentence. You want to write down? You can write down, or you can construct in your mind. But construct those sentences. What I want to say. What am I saying? Am I saying, Krishna, that chap has come to call me. I'll go, but I'll come back soon. Okay, but our love, you should not forget. You should not forget. Never forget. Okay, someone's calling me. You know. Okay, I'm coming. See, they're calling me. What do? I have to go. There's a difference in that. I'll go and come back. Okay. If you do second time, I'll go and come back. Okay, it'll become repetitive. What do? I'll go, but I'll come back. Okay. Now, our love, you should never forget. Now, promise me. Promise. Oh, they're calling me. Wait. Oh, okay. Let them call. You know, the tension of giving his hand. And then, promise. So when he does promise, okay. Or if you have time, then you give it. Oh, they're calling. The first fright of someone not, looking at you kissing somebody, some other man. What if the person who's calling is the husband himself who's come? So, oh wait, someone's calling. Oh, okay. Then our love. So, that the words all. I mean, the expression has to match the words also. When the words come, until then you sustain the emotion, hold it. Just form in your mind 4 sentences of, like I said, what can I do? Do I have to go? What can I do? I have to go. I'll go and come back quickly. I'll go and come back. Oh, someone's called. Make those 4 sentences and tell me which ones you want to do. So then do exactly the same ones. You want to write down? Yeah, it's better to write down. Just 4 sentences. I'm saying Mugudachi Pilachedu.
మొగడచి Mugadachi.
No, I mean in your mind, if you are going to make it in English, you have to be able to translate it. That's it.
Mugadachi Pilachedu. Poyi Vattuna Preeti.
Poyi Vattuna.
Preeti.
Poi Vattuna is I'll have to go and come. Hog bartini. I mean, that kind of a thing.
Maruvakura Swamina.
Preeti.
ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು
Preeti Maruvakura.
Swami.
Swami. Mogudachi is that other man. No?
husband. Mugudachi is husband. Vachi is coming. Pillachedu is calling me. Poi Vattuna. I'll have to go and come back. I'll have to go basically, but then come back is what we are showing here. Because coming back over here is more, pertinent and more relevant than going. Right? Preeti, our love. Don't forget, please. So don't forget is a different hasta from remember. And promise me you'll remember. Okay? And so this is the kiss. You should always remember this kiss thing. That kind of a thing. What do girls tell men, young men, and what do young men tell girls? Those kinds of those sentences you should be able to bring onto into the song. And this is how your life's experiences also help you when you do a padam or something like that. That's why we keep saying that little children, when 8 or 10-year-old children do these kinds of padams, there's no depth in it. You just see it as, hastas.
Yeah.
There's no emotion or any depth in it. But when a mature person is doing it, you bring in life experiences because you would have fallen in love at one time, you would have told your manswans, you whispered sweet nothings, you would have held this thing and kissed him, you would have patted him, whatever you would have wanted to do with your lover. In a situation like this, where they're meeting in the open, in the garden, so it's like a snatching moments of intimacy before she goes away with her husband, so-called husband whom she doesn't remember. Yeah.
So first one ಯಾವುದು?
First one is Mugudachi Pilachedu.
Word to word.
Yeah. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಮ್ಮ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು. ಓಕೆ ಕಮ್.
I will.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಾಲ್ಯ
Okay.
ಮುಂದೆ
ಬಾಲ್ಯ
ಬಟ್ಟು
ಬಟು ಗಟಿನ ಮೊಗಡಚ್ಚಿ ಪೇಲ ಚೆಡು ಹೋಯಿವತುನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮರಬ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೊಗಡಚ್ಚಿ ಪೇಲ ಚೆಡು ಹೋಯಿವತುನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮರವ ಕೋರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೊಗಡಚ್ಚಿ ಪೇಲ ಚೆಡು ಹೋಯಿವತುನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮರವ ಕೋರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೊಗಡಚ್ಚಿ ಪೇಲ ಚೆಡು ಹೋಯಿವತುನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ மரப கோர
Okay. So let me just do it once. Then we can, if you can remember, just write down the hands that I do.
हाँ.
So, Bal.
Next time.
Balya Mundama.
ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಂದನು ಏನು
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಂದೇನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನ ಮಾಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಗಳಚ್ಚಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೇಡು ಬತೂರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮರಬು ಕೂರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮುಗಳಚ್ಚಿ ಪೀಲ್ದಚ್ಚಿಡು ಬತೂರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮರಬ ಕೂರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮುಗಳಚ್ಚಿ పిలచెడు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి మరవకుర స్వామి పిలచెడు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి మరవకుర స్వామి
So just the thing about capturing the right high points in that sentence. But yeah, I suppose I did it differently from what I did
It's okay, but it was so beautiful.
first time. I mean, but the thing is about the lady and the fact that she doesn't want to go with whoever has come to take her. She doesn't want to go, but then she has to go. She's resigned to the fact that she has to go. So, ee nalakai, points. Images like I have to go, I don't want to go but I have to go, what can I do but I have to go. But you and I know our love is always permanent and our love is true and our love will always be the only love. Remember that, okay? Remember that, don't forget that, don't forget. So that is something that you have to work on, not to get the extra expressions, to get only those expressions into it. So this is we've just finished the Pallavi today and now we have one charana only in this song. Yeah. So do you want to take out the words or should we do it in the next class, the charana?
I'll take it on
Next class? Okay, you practice this and you come and then we'll do it in the next class.